This is a car that we never thought we would get our hands on. This is one of 1,100 ever made, and it's a Mazda Cosmo 110S from 1970. Now, we've set our sights on trying to restore this to its former glory, but there's been some major challenges in our way, like the sill sections, the floors. We've literally replaced most of the floor, the bulkhead. You can see all of this down here as well. Go check out the previous episode where we did all this. But in this episode, we're going to continue on the fabrication and move on to that back sill. So the back sill is literally very holy and very rusty. It's just like the other side. Links in the description to the other side. We've got to literally replace all of this. Now this actually looks good, but underneath it's not good, and inside it's definitely not good. So that means cutting all of this out and replacing it all with good steel, which means we've done the whole of both sills, which is absolutely crazy. So we're going to get some grinding wheels and we're going to start cleaning all this up, see where we need to cut out, start cutting and fabricate some new steel. Right, so I've not done much talking, but we've literally been going full ham and it's raining. I think we've just got a slight break in it. But anyway, got this section on, got this section on, got the inner done, got that floor section done. Now, this floor section I actually did differently to the other side. With the other side, I used the bead roller. With this side, I just hammer formed it and used the welder to obviously brace it and all that stuff. Anyway, that's that sorted. Now, I'm going to move on to this outer section here to finish all of this. I keep spraying some cavity wax in there just to make sure that it's all good, and I will do before I weld this piece in. So literally, this is just basically flat with a bit of a lip on. It is kind of rounded here as well, so I do need to take that into consideration. A slight round, not much, but I do need to get rid of this stuff here, so I'm probably going to tidy all this up first, and then I can get all this done to about somewhere here so I can get access to those inner panels when I do this back section. Right, done this section. I'm not going to clean these welds down yet because literally I can't wait to cut this off and expose yet more rust. And by cannot wait, I'm actually taking the mess. I can wait, but I want to cut this off and see exactly how much rust is below this, because I know that this sill actually continues into there and it's a rust trap basically. The back of it is also rusty. So I'm going to get a grinding wheel and I'm going to take this off and yeah, probably uncover more misery. Bit of a different ending to this video. I've had to cut it short because it's literally 5 minutes to 7 on Christmas Day. I'm still editing the video. I've had issues with the editing, but that's a different story. So hope you've all had a good Christmas and Santa's been kind to you. There will be another video Sunday and Monday coming, and also I've got some things planned for New Year's Day as well. So hard on the Cosmo. We're doing very good work on the Cosmo and it's getting really close to being completed. So there's all that to look forward to. So do smash the like and subscribe button. Like I say, a bit of a different outro, but I need to get this done because I need to get this edited, uploaded, and sorted for today. So catch you in the next video where we continue work on the Cosmo and I continue editing this video because I've got like 1,000 clips still to edit in this video alone, but we'll put that in the next video. So until then, we'll catch you in the next one.